Hello dear friend, there is a major update for OBS Studio. No, OBS Studio 31.0.3 is live. It's available for downloading dear friend. If you use OBS Studio, don't forget to update dear friend. After this update, OBS Studio will be more stable and the quality of video recording and live streaming will be better dear friend. You know, OBS is the one of the best open source recording and live streaming software. If you don't use OBS Studio, you can download directly from the website dear friend. But if you use OBS Studio, come here, you see help here. In help we will click and check for update here dear friend. Just you see here, check for update. We will come here and you see this is our update here dear friend. OBS Studio 31.0.3. You can read all. You see Nvidia Kepler 600 and 700 series GPUs are no longer supported for Nevenk encoder dear friend. Nvidia user may need to update their GPU drivers to 551.76 here. You can read all, but we come here. This is at 31.0.3 hot fixture changes. Fixed a crash in OBS Studio 31.0.2. I was using 31.0.2, but it was almost stable, but sometime it may occur problem according to your system dear friend. Fixed a crash on Mac. You can read if OBS used more than 8 GB of memory. Fixed a possible crash if OBS Studio was open in studio mode. Sometime this problem occurs. And these are, you see, fixed an issue with stream not reconnecting correctly. And here you can read all. Actually these are main hot fixture changes in OBS Studio 31.0.3. Fixed an issue where the program view resolution would not update correctly, and you can read one by one dear friend. Fixed an issue where video capture device on Mac could be unintentionally flipped upside down. So these are the main changes dear friend. Stay in the class. All steps are important here. We will download OBS Studio and then we will see how to record the best quality of audio, how to live stream in the best quality in OBS Studio 31.0.3 dear friend. All steps are very important. Don't skip any part of video dear friend. Once you follow all the steps, you don't need to see any other video on YouTube, and you will be able to record your video audio in the best quality in OBS Studio. So without wasting time, let's update now. Update. Click here, update now. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to click just yes. Hello dear friend, now you can see we are downloading OBS Studio. Now we launch OBS Studio here. Okay, so we have launched OBS Studio. Now we are in the new OBS Studio. You can check here, check for update. So no update are currently available. It means we have OBS Studio, new OBS Studio. So what's new, you can check from here. About, you can check from here. You see about OBS Studio 31.0.3 here, and these are OBS Studio is a free best open source recording and live streaming software. You can read all. Okay, we don't need this now. First I have several video how to create scene and add sources, video sources, desktop sources, etc. If you don't know, go to the playlist and see all these. We come here to downside here, setting here. From here just click setting. Now we are in a setting here. We have this general setting. We have already know, we don't touch this. We come here to output actually for recording. This is our live streaming settings. You can copy here if you need dear friend here. Now we go for our recording setting. In recording here you have to output mode. You see in output mode always click here advanced. Okay, and here when you click simple, it will show you simple settings, but we need advanced. Just click here to advanced settings. We come to recording. In recording you have to navigate the path folder. Where do you want to actually record? Don't record in C drive, in bootable hard disks. Always record in secondary hard disks, because recording takes a lots of place. And here you see, if you have long video, just record this MKV format is best. If your electricity is cut off, you will lost the whole video. So I record in MKV because I need the tutorial video to record. So for hour 2 hours I record. So this is for good quality. But for you, if you want to record short video, take here for mp4 format, and this is a hybrid mp4 beta format. It's still in beta, but you can use this format. Is good. It's works same like mkb. When your electricity is cut off, you have problem in system, automatically your computer is switched off, it will save your video same like mkb. But I use this mkb for the stable performance. Hello dear friend, if this tutorial is useful to you, adds a value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel dear friend. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube. But you can make it possible just by liking, subscribing, commenting which type of tutorial about OBS Studio you want dear friend, and share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. Please favor consider me dear friends, subscribe the channel. Without wasting time, let's jump into the other setting of OBS Studio. Here video encoder is very important. If you have AMD, go for AMD H264 AVC. Okay, and if you have default any other, you can go for X264. But if you have NVIDIA, always go for NVIDIA Navenc H64, because it records the best quality and it is good and perfect for video editing. But you have any live streaming, any short video to record, you can go for NVIDIA Navenc. But I always use this. It takes less place and it's good for our best quality. Okay, and now we come for audio encoder. Is very important. See, always use this FFmpeg, the AAC. You can take other like this, but there is also other available. But most of time this works perfectly, so I always use this. And here you can take a screenshot. Later you can set up your OBS Studio. You will need all these settings. Here you can see audio track. So I record here audio track 1. You can take 2, 3. If you have several, I take this. Okay, audio track and 1, 2. Okay, and here rescale output always put on disable. We don't need to take this. And this uncheck, always remember to uncheck this. And here we come for encoder setting. Here you can take constant bitrate, constant qp. I use constant qp, but you can take constant bitrate. It's also good, and these two are recommended. And here constant qp, you can go for setting for 17, 18 to up to 16. You can click here, but for the best quality I use this to 20 only. Okay, and we will not touch this. And preset is very important. Medium quality, here medium quality you can select. Otherwise you can select here for p3 slower, better quality, slow, good quality. And these three are good, but I take this slower, better quality. Okay, this is good. And tuning, always remember this will be high quality. And multi-pass mode will be to pass a full resolution. Okay, profile will be high. It's a okay profile. Here you can check, it will be high. And this b frames will be 2. It's everything is okay. Now we come here to audio. In audio, bitrate everywhere it recommended to 160, but you can try it up to 320. It will take too much places, so I always use 160 for the best medium quality. It provides the same quality, there is no more difference. Okay, so you can try 160 is a good. 224 you can take, but I use always 160. It's okay. Now we come here. In every track it will be same 160 bitrate. And now replay buffer, we take this same. Okay, this will be same, we will not touch. So once again, these are very important. Now we come here for audio. In audio, bitrate will be always I use 48 hertz. You can try this. There is no major difference, but I recommend you to 48 hertz. Channels, we will use this audio studio channels here. And this desktop audio, if you have a global audio, if you want to for live streaming you can use. So if you have several, you can take this from here. Desktop audio, for example, I have this desktop audio Dell NVIDIA high. Okay, I will check this. If you have secondary audio for microphone etc, you can check from here, and you can disable that anytime. Okay, so you can disable, it will be very convenient. Okay, So everything is okay. You can check if you have multiple audio sources, you can check from here. And meters, it will be fast sample, it will be peak, we will use this. And we don't use CPU because it will take your CPU resource. We don't need that. And in advance, this is very important, your recording audio source. I have a dedicated microphone. We will check Yeti studio mic, and everything is okay from here. And we will not check this, and we come here to video. In video, I have a desktop resolution 4K 38 40 into 2160. Okay, everything is okay. And FPS for editing, if for video editing I need 30. For if you have to go for live streaming, you can check for 60. Okay, it's recommended. Now we come for hotkey settings, are very important. Here I have defined setup page up and page down for start and stop recording. Page down, because I don't touch that, I don't need page down keyboard shortcut, so I use this for OBS Studio. From here you can just click, and according to your choice you can select the best keyboard shortcut, so that it can't interfere with any other your window application shortcut. Okay, and everything is okay. From here all shortcuts are available. No accessibility we don't touch. In advance, actually here this is very important. Here we will always use normal. General process priority, it's a good and recommended. You can go for high, above normal, it's also good, but I use this normal. Okay, and we will not touch this. Just take the screenshot for your future settings. Renderer, it will be the same. You see color format and color space. From here there are several space, but this is the best. Rec 709 and SDR white level 300 nits, and color range will be limited. It's good, everything is okay. Recording, this we will not touch. In advance, this is a very important here. If you are recording in MKV format, later you can change it into MP4. For this you have to use the recording here, and file name formatting, it will be same. Don't check the overwrite. If a file exists, we don't need auto, we need actually this. Automatically it will remove to MP4 if you are recording in MKB, because the long video MKB format is suitable for long video. When you will lose the electricity or the problem in your power connection or in your computer, you will lose the whole video, your hard working. So always click here, automatically removes to MP4. After recording MKB video, it will change into MP4, and it will be the best for your video editings. So we just click here, and we will apply. Okay, and no, it's okay. No, I tell you, you can remix. If you have MKB video, you don't change it into MP4 here in advanced settings. From here, come here, and directly you can remix. You have to check the file from here and start remixing to MP4. Okay, now we come here for our source. Here you see audio source. Here you can go check here 3 dots, and here you see advanced audio filter. It's a very important here, and you can check all. You can see all the settings here. Audio input active 2 3, all setting will be available here. You can monitor of audio monitoring tracks here. All these are available here. So here you can change the track for various for examples. You need, if you want to record your audio output captures, you can change this to track 2. It will be on track 3. It will be on track 4. For example, I want to take this audio output capture on track 2. It will be visible on track 2 here. Everything is okay. Just close here. So in this way you try this setting, dear friend. Update OBS Studio. Don't forget to share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. Go to my playlist. There are several OBS Studio settings and tutorials, and write me in the comment box which type of tutorial about OBS Studio do you want. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.